Hi friends, good morning all. In the today's video, I am going to discuss how to apply for departmental test in Andhra Pradesh government, and this is not regarding SSC JEE electrical. So, if anyone watching from other states, please ignore this video and see here. This is regarding Andhra Pradesh departmental test applying process. See here. Initially what you have to do, website Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission website, that is psc.gov.in. Search in Google, then you will get the first link is the official website here, Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. Then you will be directed to the official page, and in this page, before login, you need to have a one-time registration, one-time profile registration. Okay, one-time profile registration is mandatory for applying for this departmental test. See here, and after clicking on this, what you are getting? Direct recruitment and departmental test. It is not a recruitment, right? It is like a departmental test. So if you are Andhra Pradesh state government employees, if Sachivalaya employees usually comes under Andhra Pradesh state government employees, so they have to choose this, not others. They have to choose Andhra Pradesh state government employees, new registration. Click on this. Then you will get the application like this. New registration application will open in this way. Employee ID will be asked, Aadhaar number. So employee ID is here, it is not a CFMS ID, it is HRMS ID. HRMS ID will be considered as employee ID, and Aadhaar number you have to enter here, and name as per the SSC or birth certificate. As per the 10th class mark sheet, you have to enter your name, and gender you have to select, and father name, and date of birth. Date of birth you can select. Okay, and for example you can do that. Okay, email ID and mobile number. And after entering these details and office details, it will be asked. So where you are working and which department you are working, it will be asked. So department, you can write AP Grama Sachivalayam. So you can write AP Grama Sachivalayam here. So AP Grama Sachivalayam, and in the same way, post held Panchayat Secretary grade 6. You can write Panchayat Secretary grade 6. Just I am showing demo here, you can do that. Panchayat Secretary grade 6 you can write here in capital letters, and working office name, where you are working, in which Sachivalayam you are working, you can write here, and flat, the door number, and colony, in the Sachivalayam located in which area you can write, and town, city, and district, everything you can select here, and state, and later you have to add the pin code. And here very important thing is photograph and signature. You see, before filling up the application, the candidate should have scanned image, a photo and signature. It should be ready with you before applying. Photo and signature should be ready with you, and photo must be less than 50 KB, and signature also around 30 KB is saying, less than 50 KB just maintain. Okay, shall be scanned 30 KB, so around 30 KB you can maintain, less than 30 KB, and photo is less than 50 KB. Okay, after you got the image, if it is more than 50 KB, whatever the photo that you have in Google online, you can resize it. Okay, resize image will be there. See here, image resizer will be there. There you can upload the existing image resizer. The photo is more than 50 KB, you can upload here, resize image you can upload here, and you can resize your image, which should be less than 50 KB, and photo should be also less than 30 KB. Upload here. Okay, you will get that. So after that, have you been debarred earlier? Intamundu means you have debarred earlier, means intamundu debar ayi unte, then you have to choose yes. If you haven't debarred, no, mostly no, only you have to choose. Declaration, I abide by the rules concerning test and applied for the test as started in the relevant GOs. I also declared that I have not been debarred from appearing for examination in the event of any information being found false or incorrect, ineligibility being detected at any time before or after examination viva, and action will be taken against them. Okay, So I also declare that I am appearing examination in the district where I am working. So I accept, you have to click. After filling all the details, I accept the above declaration, you have to click, then preview. Okay. In the preview, you will get the details, whatever details that you have entered, all the details will appear there. Okay. The same thing that I am showing here, just have a look at this ones. Andhra Pradesh government, just in a PPT format that I have written for better understanding. Andhra Pradesh government departmental test applying process. First, initially what you have to do, you have to go to the website psc.gov.in, and then you will get the first link as the official website. So click on that first link, and in the home page you will get the one time profile registration. If you go a little downwards in the official website, you will get this one time profile registration, and click on this. After clicking on this, you will get these details. So these details will be asked: employee ID, Aadhaar number as per SSC mark sheet, your name, and just what I am showing you how you have to enter, just 02, some HRMS IDs will be start with 02, so that I am showing here, and Aadhaar number you have to enter, and name as per the SSC mark sheet, whatever your the space, everything you need to maintain as per your 10th class mark sheet, and email ID and mobile number you have to enter, and department where you are working, in which department you are working, and post held which Panchayat Secretary grade 6, and working office, whatever the designation that you have, you can write here, and working office name, in which Sachivalayam you are working, you can write there, and the location of that office, you can, office details, no, he is asking, so you have to write a colony, society, where it is located. Regarding office details, you have to write, you need not write your hometown details here, where you are living. Okay. And next, see here, after that, the next, as you have seen previously, it is photo and signature. Photo should be less than 50 KB, and email, that signature should be less than 30 KB. Okay. And photograph of candidate, signature of candidate, you can upload here. Okay. And after applying that, you will get a preview page. You see here, after everything you have uploaded. After uploading, if you want to remove that, you want to change the image also, you can do it. Okay. And have you been debarred earlier means no, you have to click, and I accept the above, and preview. In the preview button, you will get the order, and whatever details that you have entered, everything will appear there. And after that, you will get a OTP or one time profile registration ID. You will get, just take a pic or write in a on paper. That is important, that OTP need to be remembered. So you can take a pic or you can write on a paper that one OTP, and with that you have to log in. Okay. So after one time profile registration, you have to click on login button. You see, after one time profile registration, what happens, you see, after one time profile registration, what you have to get, you will get the details, registration ID you will get. So with that registration ID, you have to enter OTP or ID here, one time profile registration ID, and mobile number you have to enter, and go. Then it will be asked to reset your password details. So you can choose a new password. Password should be 8 and with a maximum of 12 characters. So like this you can choose. Should have at least one capital letter and one number and special characters. So you can choose. After that, you can click on submit. You will get the passwords reset. Password reset. So user ID and password you will have. With that, again you log in, and you will get the application. Okay. With that, if you log in, you will get the application. In that application, what you will get, you just see here. After you one time profile registration, you got it now here. So after getting that, you have to click on online application submission for departmental test. In the home page, you will have online application. If you are not getting, there will be a multiple sentences on that page. So if you are not getting, just click on Control F, DEPT, department, DEPA, just use, start typing in Control F. There you will get the online application related, you will be relocated that. Okay. Online application submission for departmental test. Click here. Okay. Next. And after you got one time profile registration, when you click on apply online application, you will get this page. Notification regarding 3/2020 and departmental test, main notification it is, and starting date is 8/7/2020 and 27/7/2020. Apply, click on apply. After you click on apply, what you will get? You will get this page, home, sign out, and application can appear for one or more tests. Some instructions will be given here, you can go through it. After that, click on declaration. In the declaration, there is a you can tick this. I have read the details notification number. Checkbox will be there. You have to click on declaration here. Tick that. Okay. After you clicking that, you will get additional data. So some personal details will be appear there. After you click on that, personal details will be appear there. Sometimes what happens when you are trying in Google Chrome, sometimes what happens, please try again later, you will get. Please try again later, you will get. Don't worry about it. When you are getting please try again later, multiple times if you try also, you will get the same thing. Then change the browser, try to change the browser, then it works. Okay. And after you click on this declaration checkbox, then you will get this page. Personal details will appear, OTP or reference ID will appear, employee ID will appear, name, father name, whatever the details that you have entered in one-time profile registration, same thing will be reflected here. Just like grade 6, AP Grammar Sachivalayam, where you are working, it will appear, place, location, pin code, everything will appear here. And have you been departed earlier? No, it will be there. And do you need a scribe? It will be asked. You have to choose no here. Do you need a scribe? If you need a scribe, you have to choose yes. If you are handicapped, then you have to choose yes. If you got any accident recently or anything happened to your hand, then you need a scribe, no, then you have to choose yes. Otherwise you need to choose no only mostly. Okay, so no, you can click on that and you can go down after that. After, see here, after your photo signature you will see, then after clicking on continue, you will get this departmental test details. So here you have to choose which post you are selecting. So select applicant type. You are Andhra Pradesh state government employee, no? So you have to choose Andhra Pradesh state government employee, and there will be two options, others and Andhra Pradesh state government employee. You have to choose Andhra Pradesh state government employee. Test name, different test will be appear, and out of that which test that you are related to, that one you have to choose. If you are Panchayat Secretary grade 6, you have to choose account test employees of local body 146 and 148. And if you are Panchayat Secretary grade 5, then also you have to choose account test for employees of local bodies 146 and 148. And for other designations, there will be a different test name here. Okay. After clicking on that, you have to click on this checkbox. Tick this, and both you have to tick this. And are you applying for divisional test papers? You have to choose no. Are you applying for criminal judicial test? No. If you are not applying, you have to choose no here. And after that, you will be directed to this, because you have chosen two accounting tests, no, that is 146 and 148 you have chosen, no. So based on that, you have to, you see here before that, after choosing this 146 or 148, you have to click on add, then only it will be added. After selecting a paper in test, you need to click on add button mentioned below, so that papers in test will be added to the table. Okay, you have to click on add, don't forget that. And then you will get these two things: application processing 500 and exam fees 2 papers is 1000, and final amount is 1500. Along with final amount, if you are using net banking or debit cards, extra charges will be paid. Okay. After completing the application, you have to click on submit button. Okay. So then your application will be submitted. Later it will be directed to the payment page. So after payment page, there will be multiple options: API online payment gateway, in net banking you can pay, and through debit card you can pay, credit card you can pay. So net banking through other banks also you can pay. Okay. So I paid through net banking, so I chosen here net banking and pay now. So there you can enter your bank account details, and you will get the OTP at the end, and after entering the OTP, the payment will be success. Okay. So like this it will be, next page you will get like this. After entering the details, confirmation it will be asked if it is net banking. So after entering the detail, payment will be success. So application you will get at the end. You can take the printout of that. Okay. It's better to take picture at the end, because anytime it may be failed. No, it's better to take picture of that screenshot of that page. When the transaction failed, something will, you can save it, no, that reference number, and you can save it. Okay. So this is all about Andhra Pradesh government departmental test, and thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.